Both the console and the motor box are tired. When I say tired, the gel coat's all worn. I want to save these original panels, save the older style gauges, or put the vintage gauges in with the new motor package. Real stickler to wanting to keep this thing as original as possible. The engine box, the laminate's just so shot on it. It's take 4 pieces of fiberglass laminate, beef it up, pour it, and really make it so it looks exactly like this. Stan banged out the removal of the rotted core from the console dash panels and the engine cover, only to find what we find all too often.
Only spot it adhered to was right there.
Wow.
There's nothing else anywhere else.
That's crazy.
We jumped all over our console by replacing the core material and building and fabricating our base frame.
It's in a frame. Guys come in and blast that. Beauteous. It's wrapped, protected, encapsulated forever.
We now have the structure of the console all beefed up. We are now moving on to some good old-fashioned fiberglass and bodywork, which will lead us to the application of our ultra-high build primer, which will be the final step before having her ready for gel coat.
Alright, this looks nice.
Yeah, it's done. Inside just needs to be coated. This needs to be sanded down and gel coated.
Awesome.